In a world of high-performance machines and bold designs, one car stands out from the rest, a creation as chaotic as the Joker himself. This is Robert Riker's custom Dodge Hellcat, a masterpiece of artistry and raw power. With a passion for automotive customization dating back to 1978, Robert Riker transformed this Hellcat into a work of art, blending comic book villainy with high-octane performance. From its sinister, hand-detailed paint to the aggressive stance that commands attention, every inch of this car tells a story. FacitAir, Kansas City aerial photography, was excited to work on this short feature showcasing this incredible machine. Our lenses captured every angle of the Joker Hellcat, bringing its dark, chaotic essence to life. This isn't just a show car, it's an award-winning villain on wheels. With titles like Best Villain and Best Props at top-tier car events, Riker's creation has earned its place in automotive history. Underneath the menacing artwork lies a beast, a Dodge Hellcat, powered by a 6.2-liter supercharged Hemi, delivering a mind-blowing 707 horsepower. It's the perfect blend of beauty and brutality. Thanks for watching. Be sure to follow FacitAir, Kansas City aerial photography, for more high-octane visuals, and stay tuned for our next thrilling feature.